Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can isolate vocals from like music in a CapCut PC. So I have this audio here. I can't play the before because there's music, but I can play the after because I sing the song. So that technically I own that audio. So I'm just going to go to audio here. You can also do it when you've extracted the audio. Select vocal isolation, and I'm going to select keep vocal because I want to keep vocal and I want to isolate it from the music itself. So I will show you what it will sound like after. It's going to delete the song, but it's not going to delete my vocal. This is what it sounds like after.
I think we could do it if we tried, if only to say you're mine. Sophia, I know that you and
I know it sounds not that the best because I'm using like an okay mic, but anyways, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!